Happy morning, friends. I'm back. Welcome you all on my channel, Always Happy Tree. For past 9 episodes, I spoke about relationship, wherein I spoke about upbringing of children. I spoke about relationship with God, father and daughter relationship, family and values, friendship, guru shishya relationship, mother, and also I tried to put in neighbor's point of view, that is the relationship with the neighbor. Yesterday, I received a call from my friend circle. They said, if Sridhar, that is always happy Shri, if you speak on strength and weaknesses of human being, that's appropriate for the period which is we are going on. I just said, your wish is my command. So today, this episode is dedicated to all the friends. I start with the weaknesses and the fear which is troubling right now. And here we go. When life gives you something that makes you feel afraid, that's when life gives you a chance to be brave. Fear is the most fearful enemy in this for human beings. Fear is the byproduct of imagined insecurity. Fear is also called phobia, is not developed in a day, but it is cultivated over a period of time. There has to be long and sustained involvement with the fear, producing a condition for sufficient amount of time. And once it is established, there is no looking back. To overcome fear, you need to face it. Facing fear is as scary as it might seem, but once you do it, that is the best thing you will ever experience in your life. लहरों को शांत देखकर ये मत समझना कि समंदर में रवानी नहीं है. लहरों को शांत देखकर ये मत समझना कि समंदर में रवानी नहीं है. जब भी उठेंगे तूफान बनकर उठेंगे, अभी उठने की ठानी नहीं है. I tell to my friends, अब ठान लो. Just walk out of the home, facing fears, starting from small things and gradually rising to the higher challenges. This will make you feel as if becoming more than a man, more than a human. There is indescribable feeling as if lion is roaring mighty in your chest and you start doing amazing things. Fear contains within itself a huge amount of power, a power that is working against you. But when you face fear, not only it completely disappears, fear only exists before we take action. It disappears once we step forward. All this mighty power actually is transformed from negative to positive, and you instantly become bigger than the life. When you start facing fear, you start to see the limitless possibilities in life. As a fearless man, there are no limits to your power. Because now, not only you have no fear, but you're actually very powerful and confident. Believe me, people are impressed by your presence. It seems hard to face fear, but its reality is much harder to live with life under the control of fear. Fear makes us weak. Just think deeply. How would you behave if you were fearless? Imagine a fearless version of yourself. Then do impossible to emulate it in whatever way you can. World is full of heroes. Everybody loves hero. Be a hero. Thank you so very much. Have a great day ahead and bye-bye.